heard. I'm Reza, this is my car. I wanted to stay in my car tonight. It's so cold. I try to have a good time, make a tea, make a coffee, make a food, have a guitar playing or a game playing, and sleeping in this and sorry my live and try to have a good time with you. Please subscribe and follow. Thanks. Let's go.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess the ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Put this for the and mix with this. And then in this coffee and put it in this. And cover my cup. Best experience for me in the cold snow is a hot tea. It's so good. I really want this in this cold weather. Cheers. So good. So give it back and this is solving me into night. Um, Thanks to watch me, and please subscribe and no. My good friends, I love you. My good friends, I love you, and this is the first car camping for me. Please subscribe and follow me to be better and better and better, and make a better video camping. Thanks.